Let's go ahead and take a look at these last three examples. And you can choose multiple ways. There's just one way that I was thinking about solving these problems. You might want to come with your own methods. These are a little bit more challenging problems than your straightforward percent problems. So in the first case, what was the discounted price of this situation, right? $125 original price, you take 10% off. What's the discounted price? So in this case, the full price minus your discount is your discounted price. So you have $125 minus 10% of 125, and then you get $112.50. And so that's how you would solve it. Now, there's a kind of a shortcut way of doing these types of problems once you feel comfortable with it. Another way is to just say take 90% of 125 and you get 112.50. So instead of pulling that discount, what we're really doing is we're saying, oh, if we're taking 10% off, we're keeping 90% of the full price. And so you do 90% of the full price. And so that's another fast way of doing this, which we're going to see again later. So that would have been the fast way of doing that on a calculator. The other way is on a talisman set is on sale for 28% off the regular price. The sale price is $370. What's the original price? Right? What's the regular price? So it's the regular price minus the sale is your sale price. And so you have this situation here where it's your regular price minus 28% of your regular price is $379. And what this turns out to be, if you remember some algebra, is like 1x minus 0.28 or $1 minus 28 cents. You end up with, in this case, 0.72x equals 379, which is again how much is left over. If you're taking 28% off, you're left with 72. And so then the way you solve that again, or to think about 72% of the regular price is 379, just divide both sides by 379, and then you're going to end up with your regular price, which is in this case, x is equal to, let's do that again. Oh no, I got it right. 379 divided by 0.72. Your regular price was 526.39. And so that's how you would solve that problem there. Again, these are not straightforward. And on this one here, your interest rate for a month, if you don't pay any of the bill, you take 1.5%, which is the same as 0.015, multiply by 576, and you end up with 864. That's your interest rate. Add that back on to your 576, you get this amount. You take that amount, multiply by 0.015 again, get 877, and you add that on to this amount here. You continue to do that for 5 times, you end up with 620.51. And then again, a shortcut way to think about it, if you look carefully, you could have done 576 times 1.015. If you do that, you'll see I'll get the same answer as 584.64. When you do that, I would multiply that on the calculator. Again, it's a shortcut way. You get 584.64. And then you do this again. You take that amount and you multiply by 1.015 again, and then you should get that value here, which is $5.93.41, right? And you continue on for 5 times.